Hello everyone, I'm Tommy and welcome to Studio Sense. Today I've got a video for you featuring two fragrances from the same relatively inexpensive fragrance or design house, that is Banana Republic. I've had my eye on these for a while, and you know me, I'm always on the lookout for those hidden gems, those fragrances at a really discounted rate that are actually of really high quality in terms of how they're put together and primarily the scent profile itself. So when we return, we're going to take a look at those two Banana Republic fragrances, see if they're worth picking up at your local discounters or online, that and more, so stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back. So Banana Republic is a fragrance house that releases many different fragrances, and this next fragrance was originally released in 1995, the OG, and it is called Banana Republic Classic. Now the original classic fragrance was for men only. It is fresh and citrusy. They took it and released a reformulated version in 2008, turning it into a unisex fragrance, and they released it in a limited edition format that is an eau de parfum. And most recently they took that same formula, put it in a new box, kind of a new look, similar to the old look, and relaunched it or re-released it in 2017. And it's just simply called Classic. So it is still the same formula, it is an eau de parfum, it is still unisex, and now they're spilling over into discounters such as TJ Maxx, Dillard's, Kohl's, just your typical retail discounter and department store. So we're going to check it out today and see if it's any good, but first let's check out that presentation. So this is your standard glass flagon or container, very thick. I do like that. It's a little bit more than 100 ml. This is 125 ml size. Again, it's an eau de parfum concentration, just reboxed formulation of the same exact fragrance with kind of a new minimalistic look. The perfumer behind this fragrance is Lavalier Guernet or Guernac. You've got clementine, you've got green notes in here. You've also got an infusion of grapefruit and bergamot in the top. In the heart, you've got honeysuckle and syringa, encompassed by a base that's got musk, it's got some ginger in there, and of course some woods as well. Atomizer is really nice. The dispersion is pretty decent. This fragrance literally was $19.99. Is it worth 20 bucks? Absolutely. Now what I really like about this is it's actually, I think, successfully briding that fine line between masculine and feminine. It walks that fragrant tightrope right down the middle, and I think it does it successfully. Memory and emotion are sparked by fragrance more than any other sense, the sense of smell. It's very evocative. So when I smell this, I literally see myself as a kid in the back of Love Chapel School, which was in Erwin, Tennessee, an elementary school, and we lived right next door to it in this big 2-story house, and I would climb on top of the fence, which was just literally covered with honeysuckle, and it was almost like a bowed back horse. Like the smell of that fresh jute, the growth of a tree, and that green, little bit of the green sap and the honeysuckle mixing together. That's literally what this smells like. It's amazing to me how evocative of that memory that is. I really like this. Over 20 years that they've stuck by this formula. So Banana Republic is vested in this fragrance. It's no wonder, because it is a very quality fragrance. There's so many different places to get this right now. Highly recommend. It is a wonderful fragrance to evoke thoughts. If you've ever been a kid, giving you a honeysuckle and pulled the stem out so you get that one little drop of prized juice, going to bring back that memory, guarantee you. Our next Banana Republic is one of their top tier fragrances, and it's Banana Republic No. 6 Black Platinum. This is an eau de parfum concentration and a 75 ml bottle. Let's check out that presentation. Banana Republic number 6 Black Platinum is part of their Icon collection. Their Icon collection is a series of fragrances that are a little bit top tier, a little bit higher quality, and that's why they come in a little bit smaller size bottles and are of the quality that they are, with the weighted lid, the thicker glass. Although they do keep the minimalistic look in terms of the label themselves, the Icon collection is a little bit nicer overall, a little bit better quality than most of Banana Republic's offerings. It does seem like it's magnetic just because of the weight distribution in the lid itself, but it's actually not. Black Platinum number 6 came out in 2017. The perfumer is Gino Percantino. We've got pink pepper, we've got lemon, we've got prickly pear, we've got jasmine, orange blossom, oak moss, amber, patchouli, and leather. So this is actually reminiscent of a more citrusy, a more juicy Terre d'Hermes. This is also a very citric, slightly floral, but also very grounded in that patchouli and that leather in the base, which brings everything together and kind of centers it. Let's try it out on skin. So I'll stick with a citric, slightly fruity, slightly lighter version of a Terre d'Hermes in Black Platinum. So both these fragrances are going to be more canted towards springtime. Here we are in fall, and I'm talking about these. Sometimes I really enjoy wearing the converse, right? The reverse fragrance that I should be wearing. So like in the wintertime, I'll wear a summertime or a springtime fragrance just because it makes you feel good. Sometimes you need those days where you want to wear a specific fragrance for a mood boost and a mood lift. And that's what these are. These are mood elevating fragrances. Anything that's kind of citric or green or fruity or juicy, they all lift and elevate your mood and also the air around you. So to sum up our quick overview of Banana Republic Classic Eau de Parfum Unisex Fragrance, Banana Republic number 6 Black Platinum, I feel comfortable in saying it can be worn by both men and women. It's a little bit more masculine than this one, however. It's canted on the side of masculine. These are both going to be daytime fragrances, not nighttime. So you definitely want to wear these during the day. They are great for spring and summer, but if you want, again, if you want mood elevation, if you want to feel good, if you want to smell some greenery, because there's none outside to smell. The price for this is $19.99 at your discounters, online and offline at retail locations. This is $21.99. It is a 75 ml bottle, 125 ml bottle. You can't beat them, guys. They are literally really good quality fragrances for low cost, low price. Banana Republic has kind of hit a niche for that, similar to Lalique and other fragrance houses that create high quality fragrances. Now these are considered the better of Banana Republic. Pushed out a ton of fragrances that aren't that great. They're a little less savory offerings than these, but if you haven't gotten yourself Classic or Black Platinum number 6, highly recommend picking them up. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check those out if you want to get them online. Guys, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out my video about Banana Republic Classic and Black Platinum. Thanks so much for your support on my channel. As always, I'm Tommy with Studio Sense, and I'll see you next time.